Hello and welcome to our video on how to browse the internet anonymously. In today's digital age, protecting your online privacy is crucial. With numerous threats lurking online, it's more important than ever to ensure your online identity remains anonymous. In this video, I'll show you how to browse the internet safely and anonymously. So, let's dive in. As you saw, your searches are being tracked by Google but not on DuckDuckGo. DuckDuckGo is a search engine that prioritizes user privacy. It doesn't track your search history or any other personal information. DuckDuckGo offers a private browsing experience by providing you with search results from multiple sources while keeping your searches anonymous.